I'm going to show you how we can easy make heart-shaped toast without cookie cutter. I cut bread slice in half and fold in the corners. I'm using square-shaped sandwich bread, and I can make out of one slice 2 hearts. To hold my heart together, I using extra long 4 inches toothpick. As you can see, just 2 simple steps and my hearts are ready. I'm going to toast my hearts in toaster oven. Few minutes. I'm removing toothpick and hearts ready to serve. We can make French toast hearts, we can bake them. Just important remember, use larger toothpicks so it never will be lost in your food and also easy to remove them. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.